Good morning. So at this point we are off to our 12-week scan, which is really exciting. Have you got any words to say?
Exciting.
Yeah, we're excited. So I can't believe it's been 12 weeks. I'm not even gonna lie though, this 12th week, it was probably the hardest week of my pregnancy so far because I just felt really sick all the time, and yeah, it was tough, just physically, mentally, emotionally. It was a lot. I even ended up crying at the supermarket. You gonna say anything about that?
Why are you crying?
Yeah, literally. Inka was like, "Why are you crying?" So yeah, it's definitely been a lot, and I've had a couple of bad nights where I've just felt really sick. But obviously, because I haven't been physically sick, I haven't been throwing up, it just kind of stays there. So yeah, that's not been great, but I'm actually feeling a lot better. I started feeling better yesterday, and today I'm feeling okay. So I am looking forward to seeing the scan. Obviously we pray that, you know, the baby is just all okay and just growing. So we'll be seeing how many we have, and obviously they just want to make sure that the baby is good. So yeah, we'll see. Any last thoughts before we get to the hospital?
It's been a journey.
Yeah, it's been a journey. I do feel bad for you because you've had to deal with my emotions.
The voice of reason.
Yeah. But yeah, I think I've definitely been much more hormonal than usual, but yeah, it's all right. I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. Say hi. It's early, very early. Hello. So I did not pick up the camera after we went to our scan, but we do have our scan photos, and I wanted to talk about that in this video. So here's a quick look. I will put it on the screen so that you can see it much more clearly. But we went to the scan and met with the sonographer, and she, you know, did the ultrasound and said pretty much it was all good. She was just kind of, she was showing like, you know, this is the head and this is the knee and this is their stomach. And for me, mostly I saw a blob, but then I did see it moving after, and I was like, oh my gosh, I was really fascinated by it actually. It was kind of surreal to see that, you know, there actually is a baby inside of me. And actually the sonographer said that we're a week ahead of what I thought we were. So I thought we were like 12 weeks and 3 days when we were going to get the scan, but it turns out she said that we're actually 13 weeks and 3 days, so we're a week ahead. Yeah, all in all, it's good. In terms of, I would say, symptoms wise, again, I think I was naive thinking that by 12 weeks everything would be fine and I'd be feeling okay, but that has not happened. So I'm currently 14 weeks now, and I should be 15 weeks the day after tomorrow, if the sonographer is right. I don't know, I'm still feeling a little sick. I have days where actually I have a lot more energy and I'm like, oh, okay, it looks like this is all subsided now, everything is all good. And then yeah, yesterday I wasn't feeling well. Today I am feeling a little sick, so there is that. I will also say that I think for me personally, the first trimester has been rough. It has been rough. Even though I haven't physically thrown up, I don't even know whether that's worse, because you want to throw up and it just kind of stays there. And I think the worst part of it all was that it felt like it was never ending, and I think that's where it was tough for me. Like mentally, it was really tough for me because I just felt sick all the time. I was tired all the time, and I was literally just like, what is this? Like, God, please heal me. But then, you know, experts say that actually if you do have things like nausea and morning sickness, then it's a sign that the baby's doing well. So it's kind of like a catch-22. But there were even times where I would dread going to the bathroom at night. For me, the evening, I was actually okay in the morning, but the evening was probably the worst part, and going to bed was probably the time that I dreaded the most because I would always feel so sick. And even going to the bathroom to wash my face, floss, brush my teeth, it was the worst thing ever. There was one time, like, I literally cried to Yinka. I was like, I don't want to go to the bathroom. I genuinely do not want to go and brush my teeth because I know that I'm gonna feel so sick doing it. So yeah, that was tough. I'm also thankful for Yinka as well. It's hard because obviously, like, as the partner, there's only so much he can do. Like, he can't stop your nausea. He can't stop you from feeling sick. So he can only support where he can. Like, he would help me, you know, make a iced ginger tea, for example. He'll help me with that, or he might help me with some of the cleaning and stuff like that. It had to be iced ginger tea because I still can't drink hot drinks. Like, that is just, it's a no-go for me. So small things like that, he was definitely able to help me, but yeah, unfortunately, he can't stop me feeling sick. One of the things I also noticed actually was my motivation. I was not motivated to do anything, wasn't motivated to talk to a lot of people, to go outside, even to go on my walks. Guys, I used to go on my walks daily, consistently, every single time at lunchtime. I would be looking forward to my walks. But during my first trimester, I had to drag myself most of the time to go on my walks because I really didn't want to do it. I wasn't motivated to do that. The only thing I just about had motivation to do was go on my coaching calls, and that was obviously because, like, they're my clients, so I know I have to be there for them to help them. But yeah, everything else, like, I wasn't motivated. Even us looking at houses, I got to a point where I was like, I can't bother anymore. Like, I just don't want to do it. I can't be bothered. I don't care anymore. And it was just because I had just lost all my motivation. Content out the window, like nothing. But I'm happy because now I've definitely seen a shift. Like, my motivation is definitely coming back. I'm going back on my regular walks. I am much more excited to talk to my clients now that I don't feel as sick anymore, which is good. Luckily though, during the time of my first trimester, because it's the kind of like summer period anyway, so we're not really having as many calls, so that has been really helpful. Like, the timing has been great. Yeah, I'm just like a lot more motivated. Like, I sent an email to my email list, so if you are not part of my email list, definitely make sure you subscribe to that, because I've basically not completely told them what's going on. Like, I haven't told them that I'm pregnant, but I have just been giving them an update about, you know, the fact that I have taken a break and I will be coming back and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm slowly getting back into it. I obviously want to come back to YouTube as well, but it's just been hard because the times that I wanted to film were times where I would feel so sick. And when I'm doing, you know, normal videos, I may put some makeup on, you know, I just need a bit more energy, and when you're feeling sick, YouTube is the last thing that you want to do. It's just been a bit easier for me to do these vlogs though, because I literally don't have very much makeup on at all, and it's more vloggy style. I'm just showing what's happening. So yeah, but bring on second trimester. I can't wait to stop feeling sick. I really can't wait. And yeah, we will see what happens over the next few months. I've not really thought about other baby stuff, to be honest. Not been on my mind yet. I was like, let's just get through this first trimester, but now that I feel like I'm just about getting over the hurdle, I think I will then start thinking more about other baby stuff. So yeah, I am excited for what's to come.